Hi, this is Carole Conlon, and I have yet another tip for you on mastering your body as a healer. Today's tip is to not try to block intrusive energy. And by intrusive energy, I'm pretty much talking about spirits, ghosts, or separates, or other entities that might try to come in while you're doing a session. In the old days, we did so much, had protective wear, vests, special symbols, a lot of jewelry. Oh, tons of jewelry to protect us. It was kind of sad. You really don't need all of that at all. The thing is, we do know that both light and dark entities are attracted to the light. So if you are doing light work, then you're going to have some busybodies coming in no matter what. And don't worry about it. It happens. The idea is to not engage in battle. If there's fear, or if you try so hard to get rid of them, all you're doing is giving them more power, and they love the fear, which is why laughter is one of the strongest protections. So do not go down that road. Find a way to work around them. Just the other day, I had a client that had a really big entity attached, to the point that when I did my may I, can I, should I could not get permission to work. And it was like, he was like stone. It was like, no, 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 cannot. What I did instead was work on the house. I worked on other people involved. Eventually, I think about the fourth time, I just continued working on everything around that person, got as close as I could, and about the fourth time I asked, I finally got permission. Yeah, you can work on me, no problem. And at that point, I was able to go in directly, call in Archangel Michael's team to check IDs and get rid of this dude permanently. I had to make sure that there were no programs between the client and the entities. And when that was clear that there were none, then no problem getting rid of it. But at the beginning, it could have been a big battle that I would not have won. So be aware that entities that come in during a session are normal. I also automatically put up a dowsing committee in the heavens in order to take care of a lot of the entities that are coming in that want work done, because I'm not working on them specifically. So that committee up there will take care of them. Don't fight it. Find a way around it. Find the humor in the situation, but do not try to block any of these intrusive energies. Won't work. So that's my tip for today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button, and please leave any questions or comments, and we'll get back to you. Have a good day.